So my son is always asking me, Mama, what's your job? And now finally I have a really funny way to explain him what it's all about. We started this project with the startup Mitmalfil with the purpose to encourage kid curiosity for the world of water and for the jobs in STEM.
Water is everywhere. Most of our kids know water from the swimming pools. However, we also have water in the industry.
Our kids will be the next generation of innovators and problem solvers that would tackle water technology challenges.
At GF, we are passionate about sharing our love for science and technology with them. Let me introduce you the Clever Flow crew. They are a funny representation of our key products from our process automation portfolio. Let's start with Mrs. Transmitter, she's the brain. Followed by Mr. PH, the sensitive one. And then last but not least, our twins, the ball valves, the manual and the actuated ones. They really can shine and show when things get tricky in the water industry, but also in the chem lab, as you can see in the videos.